LILING YOVON machine factory was built in 1988 at number 146 LITianTown, Hunan Province, China. Nearby the World Fireworks Center Liuyang 5 kilometers. YOVON have 3 standard workrooms, covers 20,000 square meters, 40 technicians and advanced equipment to build one perfect team. Hunan YOVON Technology Company is a designated direct Alibaba trader company in Changsha. This is YOVON products. Firstly, confetti cannon party popper machine. Secondly, firecrackers machine. Thirdly, parallel paper tubes making machine. Fourthly, fireworks cake machine. Fifthly, pop snapper sparkler rocket fuse machine. Sixthly, Roman candles machine. Seventhly, display shell wrapping machine. We have successfully sold many machines to many countries.